Hello and welcome to Arm4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I will be showing you how to make a Christmas unicorn shirt in Design Space. So let's get started. Click Projects and search for Christmas Unicorn. Design Space will show you numerous of options. Okay, let's click this one. And for a quicker search next time, the file is called Christmas Berry Unicorn. Click Insert Image. So since this file has layers, I'm going to change the colors to be blue and silver. Next, I will add in my text, which is the name. And the font that I'm looking for is Don Juan. It's a layered text. It has multi-layers. So I want to use that one. And I'm going to align the name just to make sure it's centered with the design. For the size, I want to change it to a 7" by 7". So before we go to the next part, I want to ungroup the layers so that I can attach the matching colors. I'm doing this so that when Cricut cuts the design, it will cut it as it sees it on the screen. So I almost forgot that I'm actually mixing my HTV today with regular iron-on vinyl and glitter vinyl. So the dark blue design, the blue part, will be glitter HTV. So I will need to make sure the regular vinyl is not overlapping the glitter vinyl. So if I try to overlap it, it may stick right now, but when I wash it, it's going to come off. So the unicorn design is fine. But however, the name will be an issue due to the overlapping. So I selected the name and sliced it, and then I removed the dark blue name and just kept the outline layer of the name. So I just want to make sure that my design is close to 7 by 7. And we're going to save it again, just in case anything happens. And then we're going to make it. So on the Prepare page, it will show our design on different mats. And since we're using HTV, we will need to mirror all of the images. I'm just going to scoop the name down a little bit more to give me some room and hit continue. So for the first 3 mats, the Cricut Machine dial should be on iron-on setting. Place your HTV shiny side down and put it on your mat. and then you will load your mat into the machine. Your machine will start blinking, and then push the arrow button, and then your machine should begin to cut. And you're just going to repeat these steps for the black layer and the light blue matte layer. So for the dark blue layer, we're going to be using glitter vinyl. So we're going to change the machine dial to custom. We'll need to search for the glitter material, and then Cricut will again cut the vinyl for you. So next I will show you how to assemble the shirt. My heat press is set for 315 degrees to accommodate the two different materials that we're using today. So I'm going to go ahead and press the shirt for 2 seconds just to get the moisture out. Next, I'm going to grab my ruler and put it right under the collar of my shirt. I want my design right around the 2-inch mark since it's a youth shirt. And since we have multiple layers, we're going to do the first layer. I press for 3 to 5 seconds, just enough for it to tack down. Okay, then we're going to remove the plastic film. Now it's time for the second layer, which is the glitter HTV. And I'm going to align it where it's supposed to fit. I just need to make it closer. Add the cover sheet back on top of the design to protect it, and then we're going to press again for another 3 to 5 seconds. I'm going to take my squeegee tool and go across the design before I remove the film. And I'm going to continue to repeat the same steps for the remaining layers on the unicorn. So when it was time for the name, it got real tricky. When it was time to layer the glitter vinyl around the light blue layer. So I ended up cutting the outside layer 2 times just to get it to fit correctly over the letters. After that, I was able to fit it correctly.